This video is about vacuum forming the fuse tester case. So what we have is the design, which is going to be molded in yellow on one side and black on the other. So writing the colours on there is really important. This mold has been the 2D design work has been printed off and stuck onto the MDF blank, which is 60mm by 80mm in size. This then has been cut out using the vibro saw. So this the blade here has been used to cut out around the outline, and then it's been sanded down in preparation. So making the mold is key to it. So basically what we have here is the vacuum forming machine. Okay, it's got some controls on the front. It's got a blower button and a vacuum pump button, a temperature gauge, obviously on off. There's some fuses on there as well. There's a heater on the back which runs at about 240 degrees centigrade. So there's a clamp on here as well to clamp the plastic down. So what we need to do first is put our molds onto the machine. So we put in our molds on there. And then what we do then is we lower that into the machine. Okay, and then what we need to do then is clamp the plastic down. So we need to remove the plastic covering off the plastic. That's got a glossy finish on one side and a matte finish on the other, so you can choose what finish you want. Most of the time the glossy finish is used. So we clamp that down so that is sealed. The molds are inside, and then we pull the heater over it. So that's going to heat up now, the plastic. So it's going to start to ripple, to get soft and flexible, and then we need to raise the molds up into it, and then we need to switch the vacuum pump on. So we're going to be switching this vacuum pump on, and then we're going to blow cold air inside to cool it down, and then we can take the moulding off the machine. So this now started to go flexible. There's a little bit more heat. On some machines there's a timer on there, but it's a little bit useless because there's no thermostat on the machine, so it gets hotter and hotter and hotter. So this now is soft. So what we do is we pull the platform, we switch pump on, sucks all the air out and draws the plastic around the molds. So what we need to do then is blow cold air inside to cool it down, and we switch the pump off. We unclamp the molds, and then we are left then with the mouldings, and we need to get these out then while it's just still warm. Okay, so all we're doing really is pressing on there, and we'll get those out then while it's still warm. Okay.